You good? Alone? Huge. Bias, yo, whoa. Slow down. Slow down. I don't know. I haven't even looked at the charts yet. Probably bears though, unless we took out the low. Yeah, probably bears. Yo, Ranger, I just saw your message. You don't have to use them, bro. If you think top that's better, that's okay. My personal the reason I like them is because I'm gonna get payout with them as soon as possible. Speaking of which, I forgot to fund my account. Frick. But I already got another one. How's your throat? A little better. Up, Ziggy. Already in short. Good luck, bro. What's up, Manny? Will? Wayne Jerry? Yeah, so Wayne Jerry, I wanted to tell you hmm, um because you can get because you can get a payout so much easier, you might as well try to get a payout with them first and then just use that money to get top step, right? I mean, ideally, for me, ideally, I'm getting max top step and max alpha. They're pretty much the only firms that don't do live trailing drawdown, so I'm looking for shorts most likely today. I want to see a TGIF idea because of the one-sided expansion, but I'm bearish. I think we take out this low. I think it's possible we take out this low. How are our top step accounts doing? We haven't been able to risk properly. Oh, reminds me to do a 50K account with alpha. I'm thinking I'm up 1K. Did you make that 1K in one day? Congrats on the alpha fund. Thanks, bro. It's not much. Oh, you passed your account, guys? Nice, bro. Fire, fire. Nice. The certificate is pretty nice, right? We're there. I'm gonna cover bias, guys, but we're looking for shorts. I still use top step too, by the way, Wayne Jerry. I always will. There's no point in just doing the one. Um, What's up, Tavi? If I can get a classic model before news, I'll trade it. Silver bullet is amazing, yeah. Not even a bit bullish. Not yet, no. I gotta see these lows taken. I'd only look for long. I mean, not. I want to say. I want to see the sell side get taken here. Flip. We can flip. The only issue about the flip is, I mean, it's not too far. There isn't really any higher time frame level to frame a reversal off of, besides Hive Day. Just past top step. Any tips? Decrease risk on day-to-day trades. When you find your A+ setup, increase your risk. That's all you need, brother. I feel like this daily candle can flip. You also have to wait 2 days before you can access your account. For me, it took me. So you're supposed to verify yourself after you pass. I mean, before. I accidentally verified after. So it took me. But they didn't. They still did it in 12 hours. So I still have the account for today. I just forgot to fund it. I'm just gonna trade on another. I got a 150K eval. I'm just gonna trade that instead. I'm gonna use the top step fundeds. What's up, Jag? 1 mini because you're going to trade up to 2 lots on a 50K. You're on a top. You're on the Top Step Trade Evade account, or you have Top Step X. You can do 20 micros. That's another thing. Bro, why does Top Step do that? Where you can only trade like 2 minis or 2 micros. Maximum single payout is 15,000. It's more than any other firm. How do you know which SMT is right? The one that aligns with your bias, brother. There's literally probably 1,000 SMTs that form every day. It's all about the one that forms at the time you're looking for. And on top of it, you can trade 5 minis. No, but Alpha allows the 10x. Like 10x, like, yeah, it's a scaling plan. But like on Top Step, if you get a Trade Evade account, and it says like, oh, like you lose a couple trades, you'll only have like, for example, 2. Yep, you can do 20 every exactly. Like I remember when I was on Top Step, my 100K funded, I was in drawdown. I had to pick between 2 micros or 2 minis. Like what? What? How am I supposed to get this account back if I can only use 2 micros? Like you're forcing me to decrease my risk, bro? Yeah, I'm just saying they make it impossible to get out of drawdown because like I never understood that rule. So just that's why you should use Top Step X. Do you have to pass a combine with Alpha? Of course, yeah. Yeah, I do have an indicator. It's called ITT Kill Zones and Pivots. It's in 20 minutes. Yeah, it is 20 micros, but on Top Step, they don't let you do that. If it says 2 contracts on Top Step Trade Evade, it means 2 micros or 2 minis. You have to pick. It is 2 contracts. Period. Yeah, they want to put people with top step. I mean, they've always had that though. It's because you're top step X, Cairo. Yeah, on TradeAway you can't. Coda, it's just the platform you get the account with. So like, if you get Alpha Futures, you can get Alpha Ticks or TradeAway. Guys, sharing like the stream, he's giving a lot of value every day. I am giving a lot of value, bro. Some people be paying $1,000 for this. Looking for shorts, guys. I want to see shorts. Even if I was bullish, I don't even think I would look for longs. Narrative. I think we take out the daily low. We got red folder news. I think we have the range possibility. DXY still could potentially draw higher to that CIBI and previous day high. So I think it's possible we flip this daily candle. The truth is, the only confirmation of flipping it would be a CISD here. That's the thing. But we can look for it. No, TGI criteria have not been met. We have to trade into a daily level, which means we have to take out this low. 5-minute CISD. Yep, that's a 5-minute CISD. Good trade today? Yeah, I think so. What's up, Hub? Show us your P&L. I'm not in any trades. What P&L? Appreciate you, Claudian. Gold? I mean, okay, we'll quickly look at gold if I see anything clear. Bro, you gotta look for like intraday scalps. I wouldn't hold any trades long on gold. You gotta just get in and get out quick. I don't know. It's not clear at all. There's no imbalance. We've been consolidating for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Toxic TJF is basically a reversal model on a Friday from a daily level. You just have to look at a daily level, that's all. Are you feeling still sick, bro? Alright. You guys know the drill. It's 9:29. Time to minimize the chat and focus up. Appreciate everyone coming through. I do want to say quickly, we are doing a giveaway in the Discord. So if you're not in the free Discord, giveaway section, winners will be announced March 17th. Simple 3 steps. And then just put a reaction on this post. Everyone can participate in the giveaway. So good luck if you're feeling like you want to participate. I will minimize chat now. And as always, I'll just annotate and speak on what I see. So first things first, I want to mark out the opening range gap. This is where we closed yesterday. This is where we opened today. Mark out the quadrants. You can see it there. Trading into this 15-minute CIBI right now. So honestly, and we can inverse the CIBI. It's not a big deal. Just want to see. We do have news at 10. I'm a little bit cautious about that. I don't mind trading before. I just have to protect myself when news comes. The news candle shouldn't be too crazy, but because they're gonna drop 2 sets of news, it might be a little bit more volatile. How much did I risk on 150K? This is my first ever 150K. What's the drawdown even? It's 4,500, right? So I should just risk like. It's gonna be like, I mean, I'm risking at least 1K on this account. At least 1K. What is ES doing? Did it freeze? It's not even moving. Um, hmm. I don't think I would short this inversion, even though it wouldn't meet the criteria. Let's see how it forms. It's not first presentation. This is first presentation now. Whoa, oops. Another day, another first FUG. Hmm. That's some minor buy side there. Look at ES making lower lows. So the couple market, not too interested in it right now. Gonna be a little more patient. Hmm. I just recently purchased a ring light. Hmm. On Alpha, you can't trade news. I'm not sure, to be honest. Oh, whoa, this volatility is crazy. My stock position doing good. It is. All right, nice, nice, very nice, very nice. We have a green market today, guys. All right, there's buy side. I've always been in the stock market, bro. I did really good last year in the stock market. I'm hoping to do good this year too. I've already made 1.5% in the stock market this year. Only 93 points. Looks like we're returning back to some normal conditions. Probably gonna be like a 15 micro trade on the eval, right? It's a Friday. Hopefully our win streak can continue on the last day of the week. That'd be nice. Finish off the week strong. How do you copy trade? You gotta get a trade copier, and then just click on one account. Or click on all of them. What's your indicator for text? What text? We're looking at Nasdaq, guys. I'm looking for shorts. As of right now, I'm looking for shorts. We might have to reevaluate though, because this displacement is crazy, right? You can use tracing, Korea. Oh, it's a watermark. It's called AGFX watermark. What futures do you trade? I trade Nasdaq. What's going on with Bitcoin? I don't know. You tell me. I genuinely feel like one day we're gonna be like the go-to person on YouTube, bro. That's my goal. That's truly my goal. The go-to person on YouTube. My whole journey has been on YouTube, bro. If you guys been here, some of you guys, who's been here the longest, yo? Be honest. What's good, Ryan? Because we've been live streaming for a long time now. Who's been here for a really long time? Like, does anyone here remember what month? Toffee's been here a long time. Raphael since November. Okay, it's not bad. Someone said January. On God, number one in time. What time did you come, Nick? Oh, JP, guys. JP might have everyone beat, bro. You've been here since 500 subs. Ethan, I remember you, bro. October. Oh, so you were there Some of you, damn. So some of you guys joined when I was in like prime losing streak, and you guys stayed, bro. So like, who? Okay, who was here through like the entire losing streak, bro? I rate you guys, bro. That's good. That's good. That's cool. A lot. Okay. So okay, we get it. We get it. Everyone was here while I was losing. All right. No worries. Well, it just happens. Not that I'm going crazy. I mean, I made some adjustments to my model to protect me. The market was harder back then. You know, it was elections. There was a lot of consolidations. Been here for 1 year. I haven't even been here for 1 year, bro. This guy's capping, bro. How much did you lose on your losing streak? I mean, it was funded accounts, right? So basically, what happened on my losing streak was I got some evals, blew them, got some more evals, passed them, and as soon as I got funded, so there's two things that happened. I had 3 funded accounts, and I won my first 4 days, and we proceeded to blow the accounts. Did not get payout, even though we had 4 winning days. We were up like 2K on 3 accounts. We were up 6K. My you know, I was gassed. I was like, let's go. We blew the accounts, no payout. The next accounts I got, 3 more accounts, passed them, no problem. And then we blew them. I didn't win a single trade on those accounts. That's funny. Imagine you went on a nice win streak. You passed your fundeds. You got 3 fundeds. You're like, all right, let's get this bread. And then you just proceeded to lose every single trade, and you blew the account. Obviously, there were a lot of mistakes made. Like a lot of the trades, I didn't follow rules, and then I started over leveraging, trying to make it back. How much money was that? No idea, bro. Haven't thought about that. I don't even know. Whatever the price for 3 evals is. How is that possible? Mostly it was just tilt. Like I wasn't even trading logically. I thought I was at the time, but really I was just trading on fear. Oh yeah, we definitely improved. Right now I have rules that protect me a lot better. I have a lot of things that allow me to trade better. Looking for shorts. That was November. I think that was November, yeah. It could be 10 a.m. reversal. Maybe reversal won't happen. I'm gonna have to wait for more information. We'll see how this candle closes though. I like this fair value gap. Yeah, that's the thing with trading, bro. Mine, like very small mistakes can set you back a long time, you know, if you let it. That's the hard part about trading. It's very small things can set you back, and that's frustrating. Don't tell me you're gonna copy trade me, bro. What happened to closing chat? Honestly, I got bored after seeing this insane displacement, so I'm gonna wait for more price action to form and then close chat. But I can't really take anything now. Because now I have to ask myself, do I think we can reverse and take this low? Or are we just going to stay bullish the rest of the day? It's hard to say. We didn't really take out any sell side. So it's hard to be bullish. But that displacement's crazy. You can't just ignore that displacement. It's a pretty insane displacement, right? At some point you have to say, okay, you know what? Maybe we don't take out sell side. So I have to wait for some more information. What's one you're on a live broker? What a broker are you with? Are you trading NAS 100 or NASDAQ futures? Silver Bullet is simply looking for a reversal. Looking for a reversal. I'm drinking tea. Silver Bullet's just looking for reversal or for continuation off of the 930 idea. Whatever narrative is established on 930 to 10. My row just went short. I don't know about that one. He's probably just, bro, in my opinion, bro, like you going short here, I'm not saying it's a gamble, But you just, this is what you're doing. You're like, all right, hold on. If I just go short, it'd be insane risk to reward. Like all right, yeah, it's insane risk to reward. But I mean, how many times can you go short before that fails? We didn't take previous day high. All right, it's time to minimize chat. It's time to focus up here. So I could take this inversion if I wanted to, meet the criteria, but I'm still not too convinced of shorts. I was originally, but I mean, we just expanded 150 points. So it kind of gives me a red flag. I started wondering if this is going to hold. So I'd probably have to see some more. Maybe 2 scenarios here. We take out this high. If we can get good risk to reward on the long to this high, which I don't think we can, 1.38. We could always just take the 1.38. Look for like a TP at previous day high or something. Watching this candle. SMT now. I'll see how this closes out. Get the production model to previous day high. I mean, it's not the worst. Really, I don't like it because the SMT. I'm not really too convinced of longs either. I'm not gonna take it. Maybe if we got the OB or something. I don't really have a clear drawn liquidity. I'm not really too convinced of previous day high. Not yet, at least. We'll see how this candle forms. I also have no idea how to risk, so I'm just gonna do 15 micros on a 150K account. I don't even want to try calculating. We'll just multiply by 5 on whatever I do in the funded, or multiply by 10 whatever I do in the funded or something. All right, let's try this. Retraction model. Stop at the low. So retrace the bullish fair value gap, inversion. We have a short-term high here, which I think can be taken. But this is previous day high, best case scenario. So we'll just have to analyze that and go from there. We also had buy side like right there. Did we take that buy side? Oh, we did. I can't really partial here or break even. So I feel like I just kind of accept it and see if we can get like -1. Like this is one of those trades where it might just take out this high and fizzle out. But I mean, we can always close. We'll see. Previous day high lines pretty nicely. Why does NQ was way more bullish, and now ES wants to be the one that's way more bullish? Why does this happen to me? My stop loss is here, by the way. I'm in 15 micros on a 150K account, guys. So I'm in long on the funded and the 150K eval. protraction model, retracing to fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, playing off 930 volatility, and then looking to close before 10 a.m. ES looking a lot more bullish than NQ right now. Unfortunately, ES is already making higher highs. I want to see if we can break that SMT, or we're just going to hold it. Got the order block here, so I mean, it looks good. It just ES looks way better than NQ. Might have to close this. I'm going to close this trade, guys. I closed early. Break even. I don't like it. I think I'm going to get distorted up. I'd rather wait for 10 a.m. or the macro at this point. I thought we'd flush immediately. I don't want to hold it anymore. I like this big 10-minute fair value gap that we formed. We can look for something from there if you want to retrace press. Out of water. But we'll see if it trades above this high. There's a high. It just flushes higher. It is what it is. I didn't want it to go sideways until 10 a.m. news. I also wasn't really sure what I was going to do with this high. Either break even or partial. It'd probably just be break even. Could always look for a re-entry. If this just goes, that would be a little bit painful, but I don't regret my decision. I feel like it also easily could have just went lower. ES took out that first TP level. My throat is a cactus. Yeah, we passed the account yesterday. I'm reading chat right now. It should be move up in the macro. Why did I get out? It looked like we were gonna start to distort for 10 a.m. news, and I didn't want to be in a trade where we just formed a 10-minute bullish fair value gap right under us. You know, my stop loss was the high of a 10-minute bullish fair value gap coming in before news. I don't feel like that's a high probability trade. Yeah, you're right. I lack conviction. I don't lack conviction in the idea. I lack conviction in my stop loss placement. I don't think I'm entering at the right time. We have news at 10 a.m. Yeah. Use 15 micros. Going full port shorts at 10 a.m. We'll see if this trade would have played out anyways. My stop would be, where did I get filled? Like here? So my stop would be like probably right here. We can just taper. I mean, it'd just be lucky anyways. They didn't even take the daily lows yesterday. What do you mean? Just wait. We're gonna have a nice 15-minute fair value gap. I feel like we're gonna have to change our bias here just based on this displacement. Unless we now come and form a bearish breaker, like now, before 10 a.m. and we get a breaker here, then okay, we can look for shorts. And our bias would be in that sense. Similar idea to what happened yesterday. It's hard to say, like, do we reverse? Originally I was bearish, but this displacement obviously makes you second guess. It's a 170-point displacement right at 930. Yeah, I passed the 100K account. I'm on a 150K account now. Anyways, we're up $24 on the funded. So is someone trying to eat or what? See, I would have been stopped out there. This is a CISD. It forms. Again, it wouldn't make sense to enter anything here though, just based on the reason I closed the first trade. We have the 10-minute bullish under us. We actually touched the 10. Why does it have to be a volume imbalance there, bro? Still want to see it retrace deeper though. I don't like that way it formed longs, but I feel like it's just going to be a buy day. It's the way that it formed. Just the way that it formed. It looks like it's going to be a buy day. Like longs all day. But we'll see what happens at 10. I'm going to have to look for longs. I don't think this is going to reverse. This is just too bullish to reverse. It's just too bullish. You know. Originally, I was bearish because we put in the equal lows on the daily lows, and before reversing, we didn't really sweep any major sell side level. But it looks like we're just going to pump. News won't be that crazy. So just wait for the 15-minute. I can just trade minis on them. What I should do on the 150K, here, let's do this. What I should do on the 150K is just trade the amount of micros I trade on my funded, trade minis on the 150K. I think that's a good strategy. That way I don't have to overthink it and calculate risk and stuff. 2 minis though, that's kind of crazy though, no? I'm gonna do it. On 150K? I don't know. Yeah, 2 minis is a lot. Maybe we just do 15 micros every single trade. I feel like that's 15 micros. A good middle ground, right? It just depends where the stop loss is, obviously. But the reason I'm asking because I have to calculate risk for 2 accounts. I can do that after, brother. No worries. I'm scared you with 20. What do I mean 20? How many accounts you got in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts in total right now. I'm trading, or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 accounts in total. 20 macros. Yeah. What about 20? Bias? I'm bullish right now. I'm gonna have to be bullish. I don't think I can be bearish. The only way I can be bearish is if we come back and reverse. I'll have to look for continuation. Yeah, 20 is a lot, bro. The only way I can be bearish is if we really come out and just reverse the whole move, and then I'll have to look for a continuation. $15-minute mitigation here, 15-minute OB here. It's a good level to look for longs from, I think. I can't ignore this one-sided order flow. I just can't, you know? Can't ignore that one-sided order flow. You entered short even for the 15-minute BISI? There is no 15-minute BISI yet, bro. It's still forming. Yeah, obviously we'll wait for more information. I low-key just, bro, like, I know I don't like reading chat sometimes, especially on TikTok. I haven't even opened TikTok chat, by the way. I only have YouTube chat open. Because TikTok has too many trolls. But I kind of miss talking to you guys, bro. You know, I like talking. That's not FOMO. I haven't FOMO'd in probably like a really long time. Once you really know your model rules, it's really hard to FOMO. Like you either follow the rules or you don't. It's like there's no other. IRL? No, I don't want to go out, bro. People want to go out, bro. Please, you go out. Let me stay home. Yeah, I've never had FOMO, bro. I'm just waiting for this 15 minutes to form, see what happens. See, this is why I didn't want to take the trade. This is exactly why. Because I expected us to retrace, right? And that's exactly why I closed. See, that was a good close. Very good close. I'm thinking about just turning off the P&L because I feel like a part of me just trades. I trade P&L too much. I don't want to know how much I'm up or down till the end of the day. All right, 10 more seconds. Oh, sorry, 1 more second. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah. That's how we're moving now, huh? Okay. All right. So yo, my next video, Dakota, honestly, bro, I'm gonna explain it better than no one. My next video is gonna be about that. Yeah, it's news. All right, we took out 930 sell side. No, I can't give you a brief, but what you can do is go on my TikTok. There's a video. It says CISD. It's like a 1-minute video, really quickly. It'll give you the best example ever. Oh, let me get this water. Yes, these are break of structure. No, CISD doesn't have to do with structure. It has to do with delivery. Um, market structure shift. Market structure shift forms a breaker, not a change in the state of delivery. All right, let's spin in my chat. Let's focus up here. I gotta stay focused the whole stream. Guys, I'm gonna do something regretful. So will probably be 2 micros on the funded. So first presentation right here. Could be a protraction model. I want to see a form of bullish fair value gap. I want to see a bullish fair value gap that we can play off of. Keep going. Whoa. My ear just popped and I can hear. Oh my goodness. I was like deaf this whole time. I was literally deaf because of the sickness and I didn't even know. Banned on TikTok yet again, bro. Banned on TikTok yet again. TikTok is stupid, bro. I swear to God, TikTok's stupid. We'll see if I get appealed. This is first presentation. This is not first presentation. Oh, you're right. Sorry. It's this one. Good eye, mate. Good eye. Why would they ban you? I don't know, bro. Yeah, banned again. I sent an appeal. We'll see if it changes, but probably won't. Are you bearish right now? I think so, yeah. I need a little bit more information if I'm being honest, but like this is the thing about being bearish. Like look at the 15. Like you have to kind of wait for more information. It's really hard to say. I will say one thing though. Even if I wanted to look for longs, we'd have to close above this level. So no need to, panic. Feel like I'm missing it out. You know what, toxic? Yeah, just walk out. Just walk out. How to do that, bro? It's called gambling. I recently just bought a ring light, and it'll help the streams a lot. I want to see if we get the CISD. As long as you're locked in the funded. The toxic, you got to finish. I want you to finish the month by the end of the week. Why don't you think? No, it's possible. It's possible. I have previously high marked out. Definitely possible. CISD for the breaker instead of the marks. You can't use the CISD for the breaker. I don't understand what you mean. That's just like two different things. This would be your breaker. Look at the 5 minute. Why? Which is the hardest? They're all the same, bro. NQ, in my opinion, is the best because of the volatility. This is really hard to say what's going to happen. I'm just going to have to wait. I'm not going to take any reversal model and just wait for a protraction. Just wait for a protraction. When in doubt, protraction will confirm. Unless some clarity sparks in me. It's really hard to say. This could be your low of session right here. Because that's your CISD. If we were bearish, would we really come all the way here and close above this level? Probably not. Respecting the 15. I don't really care about this 5 minute right now, but we'll see. I'll wait for a protraction. So I want to see a bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I'm working on something, guys. Let's just say I'm about to be about to level it up in the Discord and such. Now this is looking like a protraction short. Man, this is too much. I gotta wait for more. I really just have to be patient here because I genuinely can see both sides very clearly, and that's not high probability. This is a protraction model short. You'd short it right here, stop loss here, TP at the low. I'll watch this 2 minute, and if it inverses, I'll just watch this 2 minute. This 2 minute will decide for me what makes most sense. If we inverse the 2, we can look for shorts. Justify this, your protraction, that's your protected high. I was originally bearish on the day. That would be an OB on the 3 minute. I guess if we get the 3 minute OB, that's also valid for a short. But if we fail to inverse, we put in a bearish fair value gap and inverse to that, then it's actually a protraction long. So using the intraday to confirm my idea. We didn't get the 3 minute order block, so we kind of have to wait for this 2 minute candle. This looks like it's gonna dump stuff, if I'm being honest, just based off intuition. $42 points, 4 times 2, 80, 160. I mean, we can do 3 micros. We can get a little 3 micro action on the funded. All right, if it doesn't go too far low, too far down. I mean, this is definitely inversing, so we just got to get a decent fill. I really hope the next candle can tick up, give us a decent entry. But don't go too far, don't go too far. Yeah. All right, let's get in. I'm not in on the funded yet. I'm not in on the funded. There's a 1 minute fair value gap there. I didn't enter on the funded yet, guys. I didn't enter on the funded yet. I don't have to say that. It shouldn't be copy trading anyways. But I'm gonna enter as soon as it touches the 1 minute. I'm gonna close this. I didn't enter on funded. I just saw that 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, 2 micro trade. That's what I'm looking at. What did I enter on? I didn't enter on. I didn't mean to click the button. No, I didn't click the button. Watching this. TP all the way down. I'm gonna enter this now. I just took 2. Good set. I like that. So just entered shorts. Basically protraction model. We got the reversal model here. Obviously we didn't take that because news. Then we were tracing to fair value gap. We got an inversion. This is your inversion. That's what I was looking to enter off of. I just waited for price to retrace a little bit and I took it off this bearish fair value gap. Looking for a flush to the engineered low here for news. And we'll see how it goes. I want to see this act as a bearish order block. TP, first TP is going to be at this level here. It's my first TP. I'll take a partial at that level. It's pretty good risk to reward of a trade. So I'll probably take off like 10. I don't know. I know I should see how much I'm up on this account because I mean I'm trading evaluation. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. I shorted 15 micros. I mean minis. I shorted 15 minis on my 150k. Wait, 10k. From okay. Wait, did I make the same mistake? Okay, no. Top step's good. Top step's good. Guys, I short bro. So I should be up 900. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to make another 9k now. Lose money on purpose, he says. Yeah, I have to lose, huh? Shit. Or I have to lose. Damn, if only you could pass in one trade because then we would have passed. That's crazy. If that trade, damn, good thing we sniped that entry because otherwise. Also, I'm trailing the stop here. I shouldn't take out this hive. Unless there's a 5-minute there. I mean, really shouldn't take out that high. Especially if we get the LB here. Okay. Yeah, I got a new event. Could we pass the other one, right? My stop's in a good spot. Stop should be here. Um, for me, my partial taking system is pretty dynamic. Also, I should have taken a partial at New York Open. That's actually a partial for me. That was a mistake. It's also hard to take partials. I only have 2 micros. It's really hard. Just the conditions are unfortunate because you want to risk small. 50k's account are kind of cooked, to be honest. You can't really. I can't implement my full partial taking system if I'm only trading 2 micros. You know, it just kind of is what it is. So it's tough. I would, yeah, I exited 15 minutes. Obviously, as soon as I saw that, I exited. Um, I mean, we're up too much on the account. I'm gonna have to lose later on. Yeah, I got standard. Yeah, I like my stop loss where it is. Why not placing slightly in profit? It's not safe there. It could still reach up into there and stop me out. I'm looking at this 5-minute order block. Sorry, this 3-minute order block. Right. If it wants to trade into that, I have to make sure my stop loss covers. I'm not. I'm not over leveraged right now. Guys, no, guys. I'm not in 15 minis. I'm not in 15 minis. That was on the 150k eval, which I immediately closed the position. This is demo, guys. I'm trading this on my funded. We're just 2 micros on my 50k funded. That's all. Remember, this is why. Yeah, no, I would never trade 15 minis on an actual account. You guys think I would? Who do you guys think I am, bro? You guys think I'll be holding 15 minis right now? Hell no, man. This is the account where we took 15 minis. It's a 150K account, and we accidentally passed it in one trade. Okay, it was an accident. Um, I, because I'm on the NQ chart. I was on the wrong chart. Yeah, that's an accident. I don't got balls like that, man. 15 minis, bro. Come on, bro. How did you do your for trade quantity on market orders? I just right click or just use the buttons. Yeah, this is my first TP. Lucky mistake. Lucky. I mean, yeah, it was definitely a mistake, but I mean, the trade model was good, right? Trade model was good, and then New York Open is always a partial for me, so I actually missed my partial there. But I like the trade idea, so if I ever feel convinced that we're gonna take out the lower, I don't need to partial here. I'm not gonna be a full robot every single time partial at New York Open. In this case, I actually think we can get a nice move lower, so I'm gonna hold the trade. I'm gonna hold and see what happens. Don't have to think about it more than that. I trade prop firms. I trade prop firms. I mean, I have a personal account for stocks, but that's it. I also took this on my Funded by Traders account, by the way, so I'm also using that. I am on trade in my eval. Should I close? It's up to you, bro. How do you add multiple TPs in TradingView? You just have to do multiple limits. You know how to remove P&L and alpha ticks? Yep, just go to settings, go to privacy, and then remove P&L. I don't mind the accumulation here, but I don't like my stop loss if we're going to form this 15. So could we just speed this up a little bit? Be short of 3 minutes instead of micros? Welcome to the party. Because at this point, 3 minutes, I still like my stop loss. On when I market sold, on what? On which account? TradingView or yeah, this is gems. I've been trading gems every day, guys. This is all my gems model. Alright, we'll take off half the position here. What? Where was that? Yeah, I like this TP. Let's just get a smash through. Let's get a nice smash through. So on my account with 2, I can only partial. I'm gonna have to take off 1 micro contract. I'm in 2 contracts only, so 8 points. I'm break even on the trade now, by the way. Yeah, I do think it's possible. This is why this is my first partial here. Yeah, I'm taking on my first partial at data lows. Although again, midnight open should have been a partial technically, but I believe in the data lows. So is this really gonna go to break even? Wow. Is there a fair value up there or something? We disrespected the immediate rebalance. I guess midnight open, New York open, it should always be a partial, but when you're this convinced in the idea, you kind of just have to hold. Yeah, I mean, we can see you can still go lower. It's not over. Looking for my first partial here. Equal highs on ES. Put my stop here where it should be. I thought we were just going to flush. Could this be our range? No, this will get taken eventually, I think. Buy program now. No CISD yet. Looks like it'll be a break-even trade, guys. Well, it was looking good. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. Can't really complain. Can't really complain. I mean, we're still in. It's not over. Unless this is the strongest order block of all time, though. We're probably finished here. Drop it like it's hot. And we're out. Oh, well, we could always look for a continuation. Right, we can look for a re-entry. So we have the 2 minute here. There's just been a stop loss issue, to be honest. The 15-second here. We already inverse on the 15. If we get the 15-second breaker, I might just short this. If we get a 15-second breaker. If the next candle goes, waiting for the close. It meets the criteria, but I'm a little bit skeptical, if I'm being honest. Up there, 34, 50. Why don't I take profits that shit, PA? Didn't make sense to close. Yeah, definitely sloppy. Deep retracements. Engineering lows. I have 340 viewers? Holy shit. That's amazing. That is amazing. Risk to reward here is just not that good. I have to wait for something on the 15. We can try this fair value gap if it wants to come for us. Damn, we really got souped. This was the trail that sell, guys. You know what happened. Yesterday we won a trade because we didn't get stopped out by one tick. Today we lost the trade. Well, it was break even, but we missed the trade because we got stopped out by 1 tick. But we can look for re-entry here. I like this fair value gap. Let me make sure I get on the funded first. I'm waiting for the protraction now. Is it ever the 5 second? Waiting for a 5 second inversion. All right, we're in. We inversed on the 5 second. I mean, realistically, the stop loss should be here if we're taking the 5 second model, but I'm gonna put it here on the fair value gaps body. Okay, so we're in shorts off this fair value gap. If we close below, I'll trail my stop. If we reinverse, I'll close the position manually. So if we close below this low, I trail the stop to the intermediate term high. If we reinverse the fair value gap, I just close the trade. That's where my stop loss is right now. Haven't. I don't know what just happened to my stop loss, but okay. Like I said, we close below the level. We put the stop there. 5 second protraction is kind of crazy. 47A, 41. We didn't close below, but we souped it. So I'm gonna put the stop there anyways. Yeah, I like the 2-minute inversion there. We'll leave this here. Leave this here for now. If we close below the low, then I'll did really sloppy delivery for sure. Oops, never tried to stop there. So my stop covers this candle and the reinverse. I wanted to add on the OB, but we never formed it. Looks like we get stopped here. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, it looks like we'll retrace higher, which is fine. There's a 2-minute in here, so whoops. It's possible. TikTok got banned again, brother. I'm just gonna leave the stop where it is. Superhero stop. We do have the SMT, so we'll see. So still in the short, not looking too good. Definitely edging our stop loss right now. We did just put in an SMT here. Very sloppy conditions, right? Very surprising that we didn't take this low on that first leg. But it is what it is. Just sloppy conditions, which is okay. I probably won't take anything else today, just based on how this has already been. Very sloppy, very sloppy. You're still on the original one? Yeah, the original entry was not bad. Reinversing, reinversing, reinversing. Yeah, you should have known that number. Actually, that might be bad luck. You might want to take something, bro. You're still in from the entry from yesterday. So it'll be a $99 loss on the funded across 2 accounts, which is fine. Delivery is absolutely awful. Well, we're still in shorts. Our stop loss held again by a couple ticks. Very, very sloppy delivery. I'm surprised on this original short we didn't take out the low, but it is what it is. It's giving us an opportunity to exit out break even here, but I'm not really afraid of losing. Right? If you lose, you lose. I'm gonna keep the stop where it is. There is an SMT there, so just kind of stick to it. Hopefully we can kind of break out of this little consolidation. It's giving us an opportunity to get out, but it's already a very small risk trade. Higher time frame still bearish, so we'll just see if we can take out the engineered low. It's kind of my main conviction is this engineered low from news. Kind of my main conviction for the trade. Whoa. That kind of looked like it got injected with something to pump. Hopefully we see one of those on the downside. Wow, this is really bad. It's been a while since we've got a chop like this. This is a real chop. Like, this is a real chop. Uh, lunch starts at 11:30. Do we get the boot here? Oh, it didn't break structure. I did not see that. What are you talking about? Didn't break structure. What didn't break structure? Yeah, this is very choppy. I'm up 660. Do I go for $6 to make 666? I don't think you can make $6, bro. It's gonna be almost impossible to go for that. All right, guys. Looks like we just might get the boot here. Looks like we're gonna get an SMT here. I'm gonna give this an extra couple ticks. Call it 516, and we are out. We'll see if we end up taking out the high. It gave us an opportunity to get out, but we decided to hold for the engineered news low. I probably will not touch this market anymore. Very, very choppy, right? How we get so close to TP, and then we go sideways for 18 minutes. That's okay. It happens. $15-minute bearish. Might form nicely, actually. It's worth it to just sit here at least and see. Are you done for the day? Honestly, if this displaces immediately down right now, I might take the short again, but we'll see. We'll probably get SMT the highs first. It's worth it to sit here and watch because this would be an A+ protraction model, so it's worth it to sit here and watch. I think we engineered so much sell side here too. I've only lost $100. Actually, how much did we lose? I think it's less than 100. Nope, we lost 100. So I don't mind risking another 100, for example. Yeah, it could be inside the macro as well. Seeking destroy day. Yeah, sell side, buy side, sell side, retracement, engineered low, engineered high. 14 loss in eval, CFD prop. That's okay, bro. Lakers versus Denver today? Is that what you're telling me? You can never go wrong with Jokic on the parlay. Lakers have a triple back-to-back. They just played the Bucks, and today they played Denver. Wait, Lakers versus Denver today? The Lakers won by 20 last time. KD's banned. Oh my god. Did you put KD for 20 points on one day? He got 19? Because that's what I did. That's true. They had Braun. But it wasn't really Braun that. I mean, yeah, Braun played amazing defense, to be honest. So I showed you I popped the CFD prop. Please show us how to do that. I swing trade. You not fasting? No, not today because I'm sick. I'm sick. So I have to lose money on this account? How do I lose 4.5K, guys? What if I accidentally make some? I have to take a bad trade? We made too much money on this account. You say buy? No, my fill is so bad. I got such a bad fill. Alright, so you're saying if I go long, how much do I have to go long? Losing 4,500 is no joke. $10 minis long? If it plays out, guys, I have to wait for a worse trade. I have to wait for a worse trade. Just get another 9K. I'd rather lose 4.5 than try to get another 9. I gotta go short. I gotta go short. Yeah. I'm short 10 minis. I'm trying to lose 4,500. No. No, go up, please. If we make more, we're cooked. 23 times 20 is 400, 410, that's 4,000. All right, nice. I can just TP right here. Sell 10. Or sorry, stop loss. All right, we're trying to lose 4,500 right now. That's 23 points. That should be around 4,500. Right this high right here. No, don't copy trade. Why are you trying to lose? I make too much money on an eval. All right, let's go. SL hit. We did it, guys. Okay, we're only up 47. Technically, I gotta lose a little bit more, right? Should we just try to perfect it? All right, let's sell one and try to lose $250. Then we can just get it right on the dot. As soon as it says minus 250, we can close. On a real note, though, we can also look for shorts from here on the. Oh my god, I think I might have top ticked this. Hold on, I actually think I might have top ticked this. We need to close this trade. Fuck, 300. Whatever, we can make an extra 300, bro. It's not a big deal. What happens when you make too much? It just means you have to make more, which it's not ideal. Hold on, though. On a real note, then we can actually maybe take this short. Give me 1 sec, guys. Let's actually focus up for a sec. So 15-minute SIBI. We have SMT here. If we get the inversion, we can look for a short. A real short, like a real trade. Yeah, like on the fund. I mean, we lost 45. We already lost 4,400, so it's good. It should be fine. We're at 48. So technically we need to lose 300 more. 15-minute inverse? Yeah, I did, but it's very sloppy, so we'll see. It looks like we might take out the highs here. Okay, I'll sell 2. I'm gonna sell 2, and then maybe I can just lose a quick 300. Because there's no way we just top tick this. It's obviously gonna go higher. So if I want to make 300, no. Why is it wicking though? This needs to go higher, and we can get a nice SL. Why can't you just make more? Making more is harder. But then think about it. I have to make another 9,000. I have to make another $9,000. That's not easy, you know. I basically have to full port then, and I don't want to full port my second trade. Oh my god, we're actually top ticking it. I mean, I'm gonna hold this until it's minus 300. 300 divided by 20. All we need is 7 points higher. We got 575. So 582. Stop. All we need, basically this high. It just needs to break the S&T. 500 away from 100K. Should I count full port? No, you should not full port. Trying to lose is full emotions. I have to lose 2.5K and 1.20K. It's not really emotions. It's I want to make the account easier to pass, not harder to pass. Can you make a good trade that we can recover the loss? What loss, bro? Oh, this one? Maybe. I don't know. That's good, toxic. 1050 macros here. I need to hit this line, guys. If it hits this line, we successfully are at 4,500 and halfway to passing. I don't want to fail the account. I just want to lose a little bit of profits because we made too much. You know, the ICT and all kinds of things are just gambling, bro. I completely disagree, but up to you. I need one more real trade to pass my funded, please. Yeah, some of you guys really be copy trading straight up, huh? Yeah, if you're one trade away, why would you want to force it? Wouldn't you want to be more patient then? Secure the bag. How much you need to make one trade? Me? I need to lose. No, I'm trying to lose. I'm trying to lose $300. Which if it hits this red line, then we successfully lose 300. The blue line, sorry. But yeah, we didn't take out that low, huh? I guess we should have partialed that New York or midnight. You know, it is what it is. That's on me. Oh, oh, oh. Almost. Buys to bullish. It's really hard to be bullish, in my opinion. You could aim for this high, but I don't know about being bullish. It's not clean to me. I just wanted to hit my SL. Yeah, we're down half R. Oh, it just edged. It literally just edged by one tick. That's how we're moving. We're edging now. Oh my god, I actually think I might have top ticked this, bro. I actually think I might have top ticked it. This would be a CISD. The unicorn 1 minute ES. Nice, bro. Okay. Almost there. Please explain CISD. 3 up close candles leading to the liquidity sweep. They get closed above. That's your change from buy side delivery to sell side delivery because the liquidity pool was engaged. These days, PM be better. I mean, morning's been really good for us. We've been on a nice win streak. So you're telling me to short? No, I'm not telling anyone to short. 1, 2, the CISD hasn't even formed yet. We'd have to close below this level. And 3, that's it, just 2 actually. Okay, yes. This is what I'm looking at, guys. I wanted to hit my stop loss here. We literally almost top tick this. Like, what? How? Oh my god. We literally top ticked. I have to close the trade. It's going to be a winner, I think. Upward drive for standard, equal drive every 14 days. Yeah, every 14 days. That's never changed. You only need 3 winning days though. So your 14 days starts after your first trade. So if you take a trade on, let's say, Monday, you get another win on, I don't know, whenever you get 3 wins. Oh my god, it's actually gonna be, nah. We're just gonna make another 4,500. When did you get the 150K? I got it yesterday. Oh my god, we actually top ticked. We actually top ticked. We might have actually top ticked. I'm trying to lose for the consistency rule. Yes. Honestly, I haven't given it much thought, but I think it makes sense to lose, right? Because I don't want to have to risk to make 9,000 again. Because to make 9,000, I mean, obviously we could just over risk, but then I only have, I guess I always had 4,500. So I guess it doesn't really matter then. It doesn't really matter, I guess, right? ES inverted. Still no CISD. There's your CISD. Looking at this breaker on ES, 1050 macro. Yeah, I don't mind actually shorting this for real. Just if the model forms here, 1050 macro breaker, if it forms, never formed. Oh yes, yes. I have how much protraction and reversal with a clear drop. You have to look at the rules. It's just 4 simple rules. Um, reversal model is when you're looking for a higher time frame candle to flip. Protraction model is when you're looking for like the candle already flipped. You're looking for a continuation. You have a protected low, so you can look for a continuation. No short yet. I have 10 150K accounts and I just copied everything for a minute. I made like 60K. For real, bro? Damn. It's kind of crazy, no? Check bookmap. Never checked that once in my life. Probably never will. We did it. We're at 4,500, guys. Nice. Okay, well, we never got the breaker. So we can look for this CISD. This will be like the last idea. I'll give this like 5 minutes. It has to form immediately. Otherwise, this trade idea is done. And I'm just going to go call it a day. Pretty good day. Can't complain. Oh, this shit didn't work? Why didn't it work? I accidentally opened one NQ and I'm minus 1,300 on my combine. That's painful. I'm not gonna lie, that's painful. So if we immediately come down here and get a CISD, 11 a.m. power of 3 seek and destroy idea, I'll take it. If we take out this high, I'll probably just call it and leave. Yeah, this is gone. This is gone. That's it. Nothing more to it. This is going straight up. So it gave you one last protraction model there. If you were bullish. There it is. Not a bad trade. The short liquidity SMT, IFG, CISD. Why didn't it work? You just need to zoom out. One, you all had the wrong bias. Two, it's kind of a fake CISD. You just have to look at ES. Look at ES. Fails to give you the breaker. And you just kind of have to zoom out. For example, would you ever take that on the, let's say, the 3-minute chart? No way, right? You'd have never taken that. You just kind of have to demand more. Don't let this little retracement be like, ooh, CISD. No, look at this. We wicked at the bottom. We wicked this fair value gap. You have to be a little bit more confirmation on the reversal there. We had equal highs. Yeah, it looks like previous day high will get taken here. Damn, so we really just didn't take those data lows. I wonder how many people shorted this, didn't take any profits. We got a pretty nice trade, you know? We caught a pretty nice trade, right? This was our original trade idea. I guess we could have partialed. In hindsight, like my rules technically say partial at New York Open, midnight open. But when it's that close to the draw liquidity, I was expecting a smash through. Ended up being more range bound, seek and destroy. Not the cleanest, but hey, it played out. You long with stops at that low. Nice, bro. The short liquid SMT. I think you're reading too much into the 1 minute. That's all, brother. That's the issue with the 1 minute. You have to learn only through experience when to trust it. You know? Why I'm took the lows? Nice. That's interesting. That's interesting, actually. Well, overall, I guess pretty good day. I mean, we're minus like half R on the funded, but we're up 4,500 on the alpha. So I guess next week we'll try to risk, I guess, 1K to make capacity 2 or 3 more trades, I guess. Pretty cool. I've never had 150K funded before. Pretty cool if we pass that one. Drop it like it's hot. Take me away from hard enemies. Yeah, good week, guys. Very good week. Cannot complain. Hopefully we get better sizing on the candles so we can actually start risking properly on the funded. We've been having to take like 1 or 2 micros because the candles are like absolutely massive. On the 50K funded, it's quite hard. We're on the 100K. We're on the 100K funded now though, so that'll be a little bit better for us. We can actually risk like 4 or 5 micros and actually partial correctly. Like if I'm with 2 micros, I have to partial half my position. It doesn't even make sense. Like it's really hard to follow my full strategy. So now that we're on the 100K, we can partial and manage our positions a lot better, which will be really nice. I guess on the 50K, we might just have to just stick to 2R until we can build a buffer or something because, yeah, it's like I said, it's just really hard to partial and actually manage my positions the way I want. Where's the recap? Not much to it. We took the shorts here, right? Retrace. We got the inversion. I got a fill. It was like somewhere here ish. Oh, I think I actually took the trade here on this candle. So we got something like this. Because my stop was on the 3-minute. So I got filled like somewhere here. Yeah, this is where I took the trade. So I got filled on this candle's close. Somewhere like here. My stop was the 3-minute OB. TP was here. My fill was probably worse. So this was my idea. We came to New York in midnight opening. I didn't TP. Probably should have TP'd there. Or sorry, partial. But again, I was only with 2 micros. And on the 150K, we were, and that's why we passed, right? Because on the 150K, I partialed here. Then I realized I was like, wait, it's not. It's 15 minis, but nonetheless, the trade was still a winner. It's not like I only closed it because I was opening the thing so I could close, so I could take a partial. Because if I have 15 micros, I can partial here. It makes sense. I can actually manage the position. On the funded, it was just 2 micros, so we can't really manage. Yeah, just step away, call it. Yeah, 15 minutes, yeah. So it ended up just being, like a quick, made like a quick 4,500, I guess you could say. But nonetheless, it's a winning trade, right? Winning trade, 100%. Nah, I'm not trading. PM on a Friday, you're asking to tilt, bro. You're asking to tilt. PM on a Friday has to be like the biggest red flag, bro. Come on, bro. My girl only trades PM on Fridays? That's crazy stuff. Cool. Interesting day. Definitely an interesting day for the books. We'll probably get previous day high. And who knows, maybe this will be the first signs of higher pricing, which I wouldn't mind because you know what? I'm in longs on AMD, still in drawdown, but it's looking better. So if we can secure a bag on the live account, it is what it is. Hopefully my sickness feels better. What did I record here? We're still in shorts. Our stop loss held again.
I'll post a loss. I haven't posted a loss in a while. Oh, actually, I haven't lost in a while, so I'll post that loss. I haven't heard Cardi's new album, no. But I did hear that we got 300 people on YouTube. Because if so, damn. If we got, I'm also excited for the Monday. What's Monday? Like just the new trading week? I'm bigger than Cardi for real, for real. That's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, what I'm saying. I mean, I'm gonna go work. I'm working on something for you guys. Also, I should probably record the next video and post it. Damn, I got so much to do, bro. I hate being sick, bro. I truly hate being sick. If you guys are not in the giveaway in the free Discord, join the giveaway. It's free. Might as well. Giving away a 100K Alpha Futures account. Winner will be announced in 3 days. So hopefully someone wins from YouTube stream. Also, there's a bunch of ebooks in here. I rarely trade PM session. I definitely won't do it today. Oh, let's go. Cool. Anyways, well, I'm gonna call it quits. I have a lot of work to do today. I will see you guys live. I guess Monday. How to get that background? I bought a platform that can give me the background. Yo, does anyone here what work? I'm working on some PDFs. I'm working on reorganizing some lectures. Yeah, wallpaper engine. I want to work on that little banner that you see right there. I want to work on that. My wallpaper app is called Wallpaper Engine, but it's not free. I think it's like $5. You get really good wallpapers though. Yeah, in the YouTube video. Got a couple things I'm gonna work on. Yeah, that's gonna be, well, the next video is gonna be breaker blocks. Wait, sorry. It's not the next video. So you know what? Maybe just message me, I'll help you. The next video is internal range and external range liquidity. The video after that will be breaker blocks. The video after that one will be change of state of delivery and order blocks. But those will probably come out like within the same week because they're very easy. Pretty much the same video, just different concept. They're pretty much used the exact same way. But if you need any questions, just message me next week. Yes. Next week will be breaker blocks. Next week will be breaker blocks. We have to roll over our charts. Usually it's the third Friday, so not yet. Should be good for a while, brother. Next week will be breaker blocks, and I'll try to get change of state delivery done at the same time. All depends how much work I can get done this weekend, and if I don't feel sick tomorrow. Anyways, I appreciate all you guys coming through. I love going live, man. I feel like we're a family, bro. I appreciate everyone. I hope you guys all join the giveaway. I hope one of you guys win the giveaway. I'll see you guys live on Monday. How much would you risk on a 50K eval top 7 down 1% after more? I would just risk 1% every trade. Question, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you, bro. I'll take care. I mean, you guys take care. I mean, I'll take care too. See ya. Peace. Peace out.